This question is a trigonometry question. Let theta be an angle on the unit circle such that sine theta plus cosine theta equals 1/3. Find the value of sine 2 theta. So this problem shouldn't be hard. What can we do so that we can eliminate an unnecessary variable? Well, double angle. Yes, it deals with double angles. But what specific step do we need to do to this so that we're able to get this? Okay, square both sides.
Third.
Correct. So if we square both sides, what we're gonna get is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta plus 2 cosine theta sine theta equals to 1/9. Now, because we have this identity, this is just equal to 1. And we're just going to copy this term. Now, what does this identity remind us?
So we have that the sine of 2 theta equal to 2 cosine of theta times sine of theta.
Yes, and what does that equal to?
Sine 2 theta equal to minus 8/9. So D.
Yes, that's correct. So according to Jacob, what he said was that we have 1 plus sine 2 theta equals to -1/9, which basically gives us 8/9 as our answer. So the answer is letter D. Is any of you confused about this or not? Mhm. Okay, so seeing no questions, if you're still confused, I'll show you the derivations of these two formulas Kaiser sent in the chat box. So for the first identity, sine 2 theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Let's say we have a right triangle whose side lengths are x, y, and r. For sine theta, we have sine theta equals to y/r, cosine theta is equal to x/r. Squaring both of these, we get y² / r² plus x² / r², which is basically equal to x² plus y² / r². Now that we have x² plus y² equals r², which is the Pythagorean theorem, we just need to use r²/r², which is equal to 1. And for the second identity, the double angle identity, we can prove it using the addition formula. For those who are unfamiliar, who is unfamiliar with the addition formula? So for the addition formula, what we will be doing is sine A plus B equals to sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B. Okay, but since we have A equals to B, which is basically sine 2 theta, we have sine theta cosine theta plus cosine theta sine theta, which is equivalent to 2 sine theta cosine theta. Do you have any further questions about the derivation of these two identities or no?